Hi, my name is Eduardo Porcel.
And I'm Jane Purcell, and we are
Brazuca Bro Eats.
Hi, my name is Brandon, and my business is The Funky Frenchie.
Hello, my name is Hasina Lor. I am the owner of Samrabopa Kitchen.
We are very excited to be part of the program.
And we found out about the program from Cooking Alliance and the East Lake Food to Go.
And how they could help a small business to get to the next level.
We're really excited to be a part of this program and as well build a network of diverse and cultural businesses and contribute back to the community, all the while achieving our own goals and dreams and making it big.
Excited about moving forward with my business and the help that I get from the program.
The past 8 weeks with this program has honestly been life-changing. From the broad range to the different types of resources, as well as the interactive events, as well as the networking that I've been able to go ahead and meet new peers in my industry, the knowledge has been immensely amazing for me to go ahead and ingest.
The Get Cooking program has been a real helpful resource for me in so many aspects. I learned a lot on how to navigate through social media and help to expand my business and reach out to a lot of people.
We are so thankful. That's the word, thankful. Thankful for everything that we've been through with this amazing program.
You know, I can't imagine a better way to start my business and expand than joining this program. And honestly, I am completely grateful to the entire staff and faculty and anyone involved into making this program a reality.
Yeah, I think, the most important thing about, the last 8 weeks was, to help us to go in the right direction.
The last 8 weeks has really taught me a lot about how to really successfully expand my business. And I hope that in the future, the program will continue to provide the support that I need in expanding my business and as a resource for me to always go back to.
To connect with, all those mentors, with everybody that's involved in the program.
So I just want to say thank you so much for all the help and all the support that I got in helping to reach my goal in the food industry, in the restaurant, and hopefully make my dream come true.
So we are so thankful. So thank you everybody for, such a great opportunity to be part of the program.
With the great help from Tanya Hertz, as well as my amazing mentor, Mikey, they have honestly guided myself and my family and everyone involved in my business in the right direction. And without their help and support and guidance, I don't think I would be where I am today without it.